Now to check it, firstly tap on the share option on the bottom right of the screen, and after you do that, on the top left of this menu you'll see an option of repost, which is this yellow icon. If you do see it, you can tap on it, and as soon as you do that, the video will be reposted. Now if you want, you can also add in a comment by tapping on add comment right here. Now this video will not show up on your profile. As you can see, if I head over to this my profile, the video that I just reposted will not be visible, but you can view it on this section right here, which is this two arrows right here. If you tap on it, you can see that repost now will be visible in this section, but will not be visible on your profile directly. But other people who follow you will be able to see the video that you reposted on their feed of TikTok. So I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.